For my new tool that I'm going to show how to use Kahoot Quiz. Kahoot Quiz, I find it to be very, very informative for me because I like to create formative assessments using Microsoft Forms, but Kahoot seems to be more fun and exciting for the students, so it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how to create Kahoot Quiz using both the manual and the spreadsheet forms they've created. So let's go to Create Now. Then it's going to ask us if what we want to create. We're going to create a quiz. We're going to call this Curious Incident Quiz 1. Since that is what my students are studying right now. We're going to call, and then we're going to put a description in there. It's going to be over pages 2 through 65. It's visible to everyone. English language. We're a school language, so we're going to use a school. And then we're going to upload an image. I'm going to upload the book picture that I have here. If I can get to it. There's the book picture. I'm going to open that up. We're loaded the image in. And there it is. Okay, now I'm ready to go. Now we could add from a spreadsheet, import a spreadsheet, or we can add a question. We're going to add a question manually first. So the question is, how old is Christopher? How old is Christopher? Fix the H or the O. Put a question mark here. Okay, with Kahoot we can have time limits of 5 seconds all the way to 120 or 2 minutes. And I'm going to leave it at the default as 20. We can award points to make it feel like a game show in which the kids enjoy for competition purposes. So I'm going to leave that there too. So we're going to fill in the answers. So we're going to call in 13 years old. 14 years old. We're going to go 15 years old. And then we're going to type in the right answer. 15 years, 2 months, and months, and 3 days old. So we're going to find that as the right answer. I can upload another image if I so choose, but for time's sake, I'm not going to. Then I'm going to go to next. So we've just created one question. Now we can add a question by importing from a spreadsheet. And Kahoot created a spreadsheet template for us that looks like this. And this is what I downloaded from Kahoot. So I'm going to download this this quiz template into Kahoot. So I'm going to go into Import a Spreadsheet. I'm going to select the file. And I believe it called it Kahoot Quiz 1. Kahoot Quiz, Curious Incident. I'm going to download that. And that way and I'm going to upload the quiz. Okay, I have success, so that's good. And you can see that it put in our questions we wanted. So I want to save this. This is just a temporary piece. Now, I can edit it, I can preview it, I can play the quiz, or I can share it. Right now, I'm going to click Edit, or excuse me, Preview. So I'm going to preview the quiz, and we get a phone up here. We're going to play in classic mode once this thing is loaded. We're going to get a pin. We're ready to join. And the pin we type in this number right where it's at, 656-474. Get this fun sound. Then we're going to ask us for a nickname. And it's going to spin. And we're going to be called the Brave Dove. I can live with that for right now. Okay, Brave Dove. Then you have the list of players right here. And then we're going to start. Are you ready? We'll get the questions here and the answers. We got to select them right here. Question 1. Here we go. Christopher's how old? Correct answer is there. And we won 51 points, and it shows exactly how many people we have. So we go on to the next question. We just keep on clicking and click next. Wellington is a what? Dog, cat, dog. Okay, click on that. There we are. And we would, okay, since we're satisfied with what we have, we're going to end the game. Then we get the results right here. Then the nice thing about we can get results, a nice little report. We can view a report, save the results, or play again our new game. I'm going to show that what you have for results. I'm going to go to the results page itself. So you would click on your question, on your quiz, here for reports. So you go to your Kahoots first. This is your Kahoots. Then you would click on Curious Incident and Reports. And you would be able to see who did what, where, and how. So again, quiz is here. I could download my reports accordingly. And open it in Excel. And I would see that Brave Dove got this far. And there, okay, here JEG 1126, player 1, did questions 2 of 5, got 100% right, 1,863 points, and then all this stuff. So this is exactly tells you who was involved in what. And the nice part about Kahoot is you can also manage how it's played. So again, I think Kahoot's a great little formative tool, and I plan to use it often and a lot in my classroom in the near future. Thank you.